Hi guys, this is ArcRPG, and my score is lowered, and I had to insert that password because the recording screwed up and my audio just cut out. So, I'm trying again. Yep, I just avoided that guy. Right here is where the things start jumping. Gotta watch out for the mermen that come up. If you hurry though, you should have to worry about getting hit at all. And in this section, the water level is constantly rising. And there are ghost enemies you have to deal with. Trying to get ahead of the game a little. Yeah, because otherwise that happens. I'm trying to preserve my lives so I can make it easier for myself. Alright. This is one of the tougher parts of the level. There is a 1-up up there, but I'm not going for it since I don't need it. It's right there. Yeah, I'm gonna take too many hits here. I can make it through the level without getting hit again. Sure I can. Gotta hit this guy quickly. He can teleport around the room a lot. Yay, the water level recedes. We gotta take care of mini-bosses here. That's why I picked that up. Just get underneath this guy. He won't be able to hit you. Watch out for his jumps. And the next mini-boss, he swings his axe, so you gotta be careful. I think he'll do this 3 times or 4 times and jump. Okay, maybe 5. So, we've gotten that problem taken care of. Now here we have to avoid dying and deal with the Medusa heads. Just timer attacks so that they don't hit you, knock you into the water. Plus when you're making these jumps here, be careful. They'll always come from the side that you aren't facing, I think. So be careful. Unless you're on the far right or left of the screen. Alright. No, the two... Okay, so the two music set play when you get the orb weapon. It seems to be completely random. I was wrong. Knock off the statue's head, do property damage for a long-lost symbolization. Haha, I won't let you kill yourself. We don't permit euthanasia in my country. That was terrible. I can only take a single hit. I'm failing here. I just didn't want to deal with that guy. Maybe I should. Sorry for all the save state loading, folks, but I really want to copy those passwords down so I could submit them to the game FAQs. Yeah, I really didn't want to fight that guy. Disappear. It's a good thing this game doesn't have a timer. Oh, I completely forgot about my last run when I was recording this, but there's meat in this wall. As soon as I can fight it. There we go. That should keep me alive for longer. But I still don't want to get hit. Now here, we can either... Yes, there we go. Gotta wait for that. Yeah, you can walk on that while it's sinking. One last section before the level ends. You know, technically they should be dying, but oh well. Well, that sucked. I don't know how to best deal with this situation. Yeah, you really can't jump over them. I'd use the axe here, but I might have to use my special weapon. Oh well, that's good enough, I suppose. I'm not sure, but yeah, we can start working on that. Just gotta take care of his waste. And he's gone. So the next level is Stage 3. We're going to the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Alright, and I'll see you guys later. and will we take on the evil of Pisa?